This is revision lecture 2. So up to equivalence relation we may complete it. So next, function. What is function? Okay. So you know very well, function is also a relation, but there is some condition because of that is function or mapping. Okay. If A and B are two empty set, then the rule correspondence which associate each element of A to a unique element of B is called function or mapping from A to B. Okay, it is denoted by fx. So suppose f from A to B, f from A to B. Let f from A to B be a relation and f is said to be a function with if and only if y is equals to f from A to B a relation that is said to be a function if for each x belongs to A, there exists unique y belongs to y, that means B, such that y is equals to fx. Okay, अगर यूनिक y मिलता है हर एक x के लिए तो इसको हम लोग फंक्शन. ओके, तो रिलेशन में तो आपको सेट फॉर्म में भी देखा था. रिलेशन सपोज टू r is a relation supposed to be 1 2 1 3 2 4 2 5. Okay, like this is a relation, but why it is not a function? Because there are two elements 1 and 2 such that repeated, that means okay, there is 1 means 1 के दो इमेज मिल रहे हैं. 1 has 2 images. Okay, and that's why this is not a function. If every element has a unique image, then only the relation is said to be a function. Okay, so there are many type of function such that one function, on-to function, one and on-to. Before that, domain and range of function, which we have already studied in the class 11. What is domain and range of the function and codomain? Okay, so same manner, in the same manner as a relation, if f from A to B, f from A to B, this is a function. Okay, then this function is f from A to B is a function. Then subset of A. Subset of A is defined as domain of the function. Subset of B is defined as the range of the function. And the whole set B is the codomain of the function. Okay? बहुत सारे functions का domain and range आपने निकाला भी है by using wavy curve method. But here we doesn't need that domain and range. We had to study about the type of the function. So first one is 1 function. What is 1 function? 1 function or injective, you can say injective function. Okay. So let f from A to B or x to y, you can say f from x to y be a function then f is said to be 1 1. F is said to be 1 1. F is said to be 1 1 function if for each x1 x2 belongs to x, fx1 is equals to fx2 if and only x1 is equals to x. अब ये इंटीग्रेशन दोनों साइड का है, fx1 fx2 के इक्वल है तो x1 x2 के इक्वल होना चाहिए और ये तभी फंक्शन होगा अगर x1 does not equal to x2 and this implies fx1 does not equal to. This is the most important thing. And also if x1 does not equal to x2 and this implies fx1 does not equal to fx2, in this case also given function is 1 1 function. We can write outside. This is the definition which is already given in the books, but this is most important. The function is said to be 1 1 x1 does not equal to x2 implies fx1 does not equal to x2. यहाँ पे आप समझना ये है क्या fx1 is equals to fx2 then x1 is equals to x2. This is the implication from both sides. You can see what x1 does not equal to x2 and this is like x1 does not equal to fx2. In both the cases the given function is the given relation, you can say the given function is 1 1 function. Okay, आपको x1 is equals to x2 है तो fx1 is equal to fx2 प्रूव करना है या fx1 is equal to fx2 है तो x1 is equal to x2 या फिर x1 भी x2 के इक्वल ना हो उस केस में fx1 भी fx2 के इक्वल नहीं है तो भी 1 1 फंक्शन होगा। और सपोज करो x1 x2 के इक्वल नहीं लेकिन fx1 fx2 के इक्वल आ जा रहा है तो वो फंक्शन मिलेगा। फॉर एग्जांपल fx equals to 2x, okay? Okay, so x is equal to 4, then fx is equals to 2, and x is equal to -4, then also fx is equal to 2. So in this case, x1 does not equals to x2. Speed of this fx1 is equals to, okay. Now, 1 1 function, then onto function. What? Onto function. If f from a to b, okay, if f from a to b or x to y be a function, then it is said to be onto function if for each x belongs to x, for each y belongs to y, there exists x belongs to x such that y is equals to f. In this case, you can say yes, the function is onto. And onto function is also also known as what? Onto function is also known as bijective function. Okay, sorry, surjective function. Onto function is also known as surjective function. And the last one is 1 1 onto or bijective function. 1 1 onto or bijective function. Function f is said to be 1 1 onto if it is 1 1 as well as onto. अगर दोनों होता है तो ये function 1 1 onto होता है, ठीक है। Now, for checking the injectivity of the function, this is so easy. Fx is equal to fxy, fx is equal to fy लेंगे और फिर x is equal to y, or you can say fx1 is equal to fx2 consider करेंगे और x1 is equal to x2 prove कर देंगे तो function बाइजेक्टिव हो जाएगा. But for surjectivity, we see the working rule. Then first step, you take y belongs to y, and then put fx is equal to y. Of course, solve fx for y and obtain x in terms of y. Get equation from x as a gy, and x is equal to gy belongs to domain of f for all values of y. Then f is on. Okay. हमने आपको पहले भी इसको बता रखा है कि किसी भी फंक्शन को ऑन टू प्रूफ करने के लिए क्या करते हैं. ठीक है, तो ऑन टू प्रूफ करना बहुत आसान है. बस सकते आपको सबसे पहले उसको y इज इक्वल टू fx फंक्शन लेना होगा और x को y के टर्म में सॉल्व करना होगा, और वही इनवर्स भी होता है. ठीक है ना, सब आपको पता होगा, कई बार बताया हमने. ठीक है, तो हम लोग एक दो क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, उसको थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. Suppose f from R to R be a function given by fx equal to 4x cube minus 7. Then show that f is 1 1 and on 2. F is 1 1 and on 2. Okay. So how to show f is 1 1 and on 2? Real number में define है. fx is equal to क्या है? fx is equal to 4x cube plus 7. For each x1, x1, x2 belongs to real number. Why? Because function is from R to R. xy belongs to real number. Okay, xy belongs to, everyone are able to see. For each x1, x2 belongs to real number because function is what? From real number, that means from R to R. Real number से real number पे है, इसलिए x1 x2 हम real number में ले लेंगे. Now fx1 is equals to fx2, so you can write this, and this fx1 is equal to fx2 means 4x1 cube plus 7 is equals to 4x2 cube plus 7. So 7 cancel out. Okay, then x1 must be what? x1 must be x2. तो आपने क्या देखा? fx1 को fx2 लिया और हमने प्रूफ करके दिखाया x1 is equal to x2. That means this implies f1 1. F is 1. Understood? Now for onto, for surjectivity of the function, you take. Do you want to note it down? Sorry. You want to note it down? For onto, for surjectivity of the function, what? First we take y belongs to y such that y is equals to such that there exists x belongs to x such that y is equals to x. Now for surjectivity, for onto, that is for surjectivity. For each y belongs to R, we have y equals to fx, that means y equals to 2x plus 3 or 7, whatever. Okay, 7 will be 2x plus 7. And now y minus 7, this is nothing but 4x cube. So x cube is nothing but y minus 7. X cube, x is y minus 7 upon 4. To the power of 5. Now this x belongs to what? Real. This x what? This x is from real number. So you can write x belongs to real number. So fx is what? F of x. That means y minus 7 by 4. 4 to the power of 3. Okay. So this is 4 times. Plus function fx is what? 4x cubed plus 7. So 4x cube plus 7 will be 7. Now 4 and this is cancelled out. 4 into y minus 7 by 4. Y. What do you see here? Fx is equals to y. So what do you take here? Y belongs to real number. And this is nothing but x belongs to real number such that y. So the given function is onto. Okay. You may complete it now. See, what about the mod function? Okay. If you discuss about the mod function, then this is neither one nor onto. Okay. Why? Why this is neither one nor onto? Because if you consider y is equals to mod x. Okay. So if you take for each x1, x2 belongs to real number because function is from real number to real number. Okay. X1, x2 belongs to R, then y is equals to what? Fx1 is equals to fx2. This implies mod of x1 is equals to mod of x2. So this implies x1 does not equals to x2. Okay. Because mod have two values. In other manner, you can see if you take -1, then mod of -1 is 1 and mod of +1 is again. So you see here, you take fx1 is equals to fx2, but x1 does not equals to x2. If you see fx1 is equals to x2, but x1 does not equals to x2, that -1 does not equals to +1. So you can say it does not 1 function. Okay, so mod function is neither 1 nor onto. So for onto, if you take onto, then what is the procedure? For subjectivity of the function, procedure is y belongs to y. Okay, y belongs to y, that means real number because function is from real number to real number, and y is equals to mod x. And for x in terms of y, and x is equals to plus minus. See here, if y is equals to mod x, then what is the value of x? X is nothing but plus minus of y. Okay, so if x is equals to plus minus y, that means x belongs to R, but it is not either plus y or minus y, both values. That means there are two images of x, you can say, okay? Three images of x. So this is not onto function. Okay? See, for onto what? Pre-image of x must be equals to pre-image of y must be equals to x, but it is not here. That's why this is not onto. Okay, because -1 has no pre-image in the mod function, right? Because mod x है सबका सब पॉजिटिव आएगा. आप कोई भी एलिमेंट -1 -2 रियल नंबर में कंसीडर कर लो, इसका इमेज भी पॉजिटिव 2 आ जाएगा. तो बता रहे हैं फंक्शन onto नहीं, क्योंकि there is no pre-image of -2, -3, -4. Okay, so note it down. You may understand this one also.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Same thing for the greatest integer function. If you talk about the greatest integer function, then what is the greatest integer function? Y is equals to bracket x. This is the greatest integer function. And function belongs to real number. Okay. If f from R to R, that means function is from R to R, okay, then fx is equals to bracket x, and bracket x is no variable. Greatest integer less than or equal to x. That means integer supposed to be x, then bracket x means greatest integer but less than or equal to x. Greatest तो हो, लेकिन क्या होना चाहिए? सपोज के यहाँ पे आपने 0 ले लिया, 1 ले लिया, 2 ले लिया, ठीक है? 0 1 2 -1 -2. ओके, अब सपोज करिए x को आपने 1.3 लिया 1.3 okay x is 1.3 and what is the value of bracket x this is 1.3 this is equal to 1 means greatest integer को हो but less than or equal to x यानी जो भी x की वैल्यू है उससे छोटा हो लेकिन सबसे बड़ा इंटीजर ठीक है x को अगर हमने इंटीजर ही ले लिया तो 2 ब्रैकेट 2 की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 2 व्हाई बिकॉज़ दो ही सबसे बड़ा इंटीजर है जो खुद के इक्वल है या खुद से छोटा हो सकता है ठीक है छोटा तो होगा नहीं तो लेस देन और इक्वल बट इफ यू टेक इन ब्रैकेट 1 minus 3 then again it is 1 तो 1.3 एक रियल नंबर है जिसपे छोटा और सबसे बड़ा इंटीजर छोटा लेकिन सबसे बड़ा इंटीजर कौन है 1 ओके सो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन के बारे में देखिए तो क्या ये 1 फंक्शन होगा तो ये तो सिंपली आप बता सकते हो कि कोई भी वैल्यू हम रियल नंबर का कंसीडर करें और ईच x1 x2 belongs to real number fx1 is equals to fx2 then this implies bracket x1 is equals to bracket x2 okay but x1 does not equal to x2 maybe but strictly you can say x1 does not equals to x2 दो वैल्यूज आप ले लो x1 1.3 लोगे तब भी 1 आएगा ब्रैकेट की वैल्यू 1.4 लोगे तब भी ब्रैकेट की वैल्यू 1 आएगा यानी x1 does not equal to x2 but function is fx1 is equals to okay and the same manner if you talk about the onto function then also there is no real number means any real number like 1.3 1.4 1.5 ये किसी का भी इमेज नहीं होगा मतलब कभी भी ब्रैकेट में कोई भी ऐसी वैल्यू नहीं है जिसका इंटीजर के अलावा कोई वैल्यू मिले ठीक है ना आप बताओ क्या पॉसिबल है कि ब्रैकेट में कोई भी वैल्यू डालें और उसका आंसर 1.3 मिल जाए 1.2 मिल जाए क्या ऐसा पॉसिबल है ब्रैकेट है वो इंटीजर ही आएगा ठीक है ओके एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज नाइदर 1 nor okay so in the same manner so many questions are there you can try to solve and binary operation is not in your syllabus okay but composition of function you know about the composition of function what is composition of function you know okay so f from a to b be a function and g from b to c then composition of f and g f from a to b or x to y you can suppose g from y to z then f composition g from x to z listen carefully f composition g from x to z is the composition of f and g and it is denoted by f composition of g so reverse order में लिख करता and this means g of f and if you write g composition f and this is f of gx ऐसा हमने आपको पहले बहुत बार बताया है इसको निकालने का तरीका सब कुछ तो आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा इसको सॉल्व करें और रिवाइज करें so maybe first chapter is over for revision so tomorrow we will discuss the second chapter in revision okay only 3 chapters are in your syllabus okay